Hi, my name is Lexi. I am a hairstylist at the Neroli Salon at the East Side location. I did tape and extensions on my guest Casey today. The benefits of tape and extensions are how easy and flexible they are to style and to wear. A lot of people don't realize that people have them in because they are so seamless and so effortless. They also add like a ton of volume to the hair. Either you want just a couple pieces on the side if you're growing out a pixie cut, or if you're just a little bit thinner in the front, you can just put 2 little pieces in and it fills it in so easy. Care for the extensions are pretty easy and simple. Just not a super heavy shampoo, so you don't want to get oils and too much product on the extension bonds. That way it doesn't like loosen them up. So a nice easy sunsy shampoo, a little bit of a heavier conditioner just working on the ends just to really keep that moisture and integrity of the hair. Then just kind of style as normal, obviously avoiding product at the bonds right there, but you can always put like a volume right at the top where you don't have extensions. Otherwise, like, they're really easy to take care of. Brushing frequently is very important to eliminate any kind of matting or tangling in the hair, especially if you have finer hair. I also recommend a silk pillowcase to sleep on. Not only is it great for your hair, it benefits your skin as well, and it prevents tangling as well while you're sleeping. The extensions last typically 6 to 8 weeks. You'll have to come back and maintain them by just taking them out and then putting them back in. Super easy. I love tape and extensions because of how quick and easy you can get such a dramatic result from them. I also love how much volume it gives for people who don't have a lot of hair. It really is a really awesome confidence booster, and it just makes them feel so good, and I love giving them that feeling. Also, I love using them for people who don't really color their hair and they want to add pops of color too without damaging their hair, and it's just a really nice easy quick little process. You don't have to sit there for hours and get your hair colored, and it's a really nice easy way to get a chemical-free color.